Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen over here, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Receive on an Android and Send on XIAOMI. Now tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one file, choose Send and tap on Got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose Receive or scan this QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, choose Allow or Only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Now wait a bit. And as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!